Simple tips on how to get rid of arthritis. When it comes to managing your arthritis and its symptoms, few things are as effective as a thorough understanding of the condition and how you can improve it. This handpicked selection of tips and tricks can provide the perfect starting point for anyone who wants to learn more about this painful condition. Be sure to get enough exercise and that you are doing the right kinds of exercise. People with arthritis should choose exercises that support and strengthen the joints, such as swimming, instead of exercises that damage them, such as running. Failing to exercise can also increase joint stiffness and pain. People with arthritis are dealing with both chronic pain and chronic fatigue. Set priorities for your day and stick to them. There will only be so much you can accomplish on a bad day. Figure out what's most important and focus on getting that done, instead of trying to fight the pain and fatigue and do everything anyway. Aquatic activities and water aerobics are ideal exercises for arthritis sufferers. Aquatic activities are beneficial for loosening up joints and muscles, and the water, especially warm water, is soothing to chronic arthritis sufferers. If you cannot swim, consider signing up for a swimming class. Visit a massage therapist on a regular basis if you suffer from arthritis. The massages that these professionals perform on you will help to make your body relax and ease some of the pain in your joints. It is recommended that you visit a massage therapist every 2 weeks if you have arthritis. Whether you are struggling with the pain of arthritis or know someone else who is, the advice in this video is invaluable. Follow these tips and learn how to live with arthritis without allowing the pain to control you and keep you from doing the things that you love and enjoy. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.